Okay, so what have we done today? Okay, so Johnny Boy started to put the wire mesh and styro on the last wall that needs stucco. And here preparing for painting, but before that we need to actually address the imperfections, the joints, put the fiberglass net, and tomorrow, if the weather permits, we will put fillers. Titimplahin na lang. Okay, so done those. Even that one, nakaangat lang. Done those. Pati doon. And then this. And Asilia, in other words. Yan. Done those. Okay, so, and then late in the afternoon we did, wait, how do we open this? We did this. Okay, so let's see how it looks when it's daytime. Oh no, nighttime. It's a mess here, so because it's raining, but see, medyo bottom yung wall, but that will be smoothen kasi muulan eh, so bato lang ng bato si Johnny Boy. Okay, anyway, so hopefully that gets finished. Muulan ba yun? Parang ano, pero may video ako dito when there's still daylight, so it looks much better. So we hope we can do the other side and see, messy, still messy.